Welcome back to AI Unlocked. Let's roll straight through what happened last week and where AI is heading right now. Last week, AI momentum accelerated across the board. Major AI labs signaled faster development cycles, businesses expanded automation, and leaders warned that AI is reshaping work faster than most organizations are ready for. The message was clear. AI is no longer optional. It's foundational. This week, OpenAI made headlines again by pushing forward with faster model improvements and expanded capabilities. Stronger reasoning, better coding, and longer memory are becoming the new baseline, not premium features. The AI arms race is officially in full swing. Business leaders doubled down on a key message this week. AI will replace tasks, but not human value. Skills like communication, creativity, leadership, and emotional intelligence are becoming more important as automation increases. AI continues to move beyond chatbots. New AI systems are delivering breakthroughs in forecasting, analytics, and real-time decision-making, from climate modeling to business operations. Across industries, AI adoption surged again. Companies are using AI to improve efficiency, cut costs, and gain faster insights, often deploying systems faster than regulations or training can keep up. From last week to this week, one trend stands out. AI isn't slowing down. It's accelerating, reshaping work, industries, and decision-making in real time. That's your AI update. Subscribe, share, and stay ahead with AI Unlocked.